जी करदा कप्ताना हां दे जलसे ते नचने तो मेरा आज जी करदा.
Hello everyone, this is Kaustuv Naik and today is 1st of August 2023. Here we are again on another video. Let us jump into the screen and then discuss.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Cool, so we are on the screen right now. You can see it is around 12:37 p.m. of the day. Just a second. Okay, cool. So we are here right now and I'm about to plan a trade in the Bank Nifty and I'm about to place an sell order at 600 and I'm about to place an order at 650. Just waiting for this opportunity to click in. Okay, it is just falling over here from this. There has been no movement yet. Okay, cool. I will just wait until the market starts to move. So cool. So what right now market is trading at 186 points minus. It is around 670 is that level. There are high chances that it might go a little bit down, but not at all a problem. We will see how the market would go around from over here. But there are some plans to go first short, but looking at the chart, it has taken the support and then about to start moving up. So there are high chances that the market might start to move up from over here, and within no time there are chances that this will touch 45,800 and 45,900 ish level. So we will just wait until how things will turn out to be over here. Until then, I will just keep an eye on this. The market is slightly going up over here as well. Right now we can see that market is trading at 45,682-ish level. I will just wait and just check on both the monitors how the option strikes are also going. Looking at the market at this side, market does seem like it is slightly going up at 45,690 level. I'm just waiting for it to give a little bit movement if possible. If not, that is also completely fine, but I will just wait for a while until here. Okay, cool. We will prepare for buying. First, let us go see chart. And okay, we are on 5 minutes right now, and you can see the time frame over here. I'm just thinking to go long over here, and the short thing I have to cancel it out. And let us go at 690, 695. 690 also feels good to me, but let us see. Okay, cool. So boom, order has been finally placed and we are over here. 690 I have placed it at, and we will be trading at about 690, but let us see will it get executed or not. Already I have booked around 1000 rupees. That was for a short. Somebody asked me in the comment why we shouldn't exit and enter at market price, and then why we should only place limit orders. So just to show the difference on how the trading matters and how the fractional amount makes a lot of difference. So I had to make a video today, so I will be posting it around 8 a.m. So this video will be coming tomorrow, which is 10 a.m. Maybe 1-2 hours before that I will be posting a short on that. So let us see up until this what is going to happen. Cool. I don't think so. Will it get executed? it will definitely get executed. Why not? It has to get executed. $487 right now. It is trading at 45,700 level, and I am just waiting it to go to 90. Let us see for that. 95. It is just hovering around that portion of the time. 700. 698, 705. It is hovering around since long time. I've been waiting for the last 5 minutes, maybe 3 minutes over around to get the order executed, but it does not seem like to be happening. 45,697. I'm still here. Oh, boom, boom, voila! The order has been executed. Whoa! Finally, the order has been executed. Okay, so let us go on the charts. Okay, good. So we are running 300, 417, 600 plus 554. Okay, good. My target for the day is 150 points stop loss, 150 points target. 690 was my buying price. I will keep a target of, first target would be like around 800, second target would be around 840-ish level. Between that we will try our level best to exit, and if it touches 790 and comes back, one chance. It touches second time 690 and then does not go back before touching 750, then we are exiting at around 750. That will be our trailing stop loss, which will be given after two chances. Okay, so right now we are trading over here. The reason for me to take the trade is very simple. First, when I came in the market, I thought that I will be going with a short position, but did not look like that I will be going with a short position. I kept on insisting that we will go with a short position itself, and trust me, that was all my mindset, because looking at the candles pattern that being happening in the market, in the chart, even the RSI looks down, everything came falling. It opened, you can see over here, it opened at 45,903 while the high was 944. From there it has fallen at 615. So what has happened after touching 615? The market has given a bounce back, and you can see right now, as soon as we entered the position at this point, the market is moving upwards, which is 713. So I'm not gonna say over here anything. I would like you guys to enjoy my next 1 hour, or maybe that's 30 minutes of video. I will cut down here and there. Enjoy the time lapse. We are going to discuss in between if there is any necessary. If not, you can enjoy it. Now it is 1:23 p.m. In the noon right now. And then, yeah, fine, cool, perfect. It's going up. So enjoy watching my time lapse. Okay, you can see on the screen that we are up by 68, 70, 80. Okay, cool. So we are up by 70 points right now, trading at 6,100 in profit, 5,000, 6,000 around this level. So our target is coming nearby, which is 800 level, and the time is 1:35, hardly 4 minutes into this, and then it is only trading in a very good way. And I'm really happy to say this trade is working in our favor. Glad that I did not entered into shorting position, and when the time came right, I told myself, yes Kaustubh, you are wrong, let us change our direction, and then we accepted that thing and we changed, because that's what matters. I have seen many people who stick to their ego. If I come today in the market and then I think that market is going to fall, yes, it has to fall, I am going into this, and then they occur the loss, and then they be like, oh shit, I should have gone I should have gone long instead of going short, but the market was falling, it trapped me in, this is gambling, XYZ. They will be keeping on giving a name, but this is how it works. And whatever you guys do, it does not work that way. When your things are getting wrong, you should be able to accept them, accept it in a very good way, change it, change the perspective, and then fall back. Okay, so you can see like I have slightly zoomed in so that you can see the profit running on the screen. It's like 4,200, 203 to 4,500, 3,900, 4,200. Okay, cool. So you can enjoy watching this, but yeah, it touched till like 80, 82. I think it touched like 84. Yeah, it touched 84, and from there it is just giving a great red candle. So first chance is out. Hereafter, I am kind of sure that this trade might go into loss. After getting into loss, this trade will slightly bounce back and try to push towards 880 to maybe 920. It will definitely try to push itself to that level. So we will just wait until that period of time and then see how things are going to be happening over here. So after going into loss, we are back again. I did not speak much on that part because I did not like to speak on that much. But over here we are here, and you can see this. After going into loss, you might have definitely seen that on the time lapse. It did go a little bit in the loss, and after coming back in the loss, we are back with up around 4,000 ish profit. We will just wait over here until then. Let it keep on running, maybe for another 10-15 minutes. Let's see how long we are going to hold this trade. Right now it is 2:28 p.m. in the noon, and we have hardly 1 hour 2 minutes left before the market closes. So I need to make a decision. Either I'm going to exit at this 750, a little above, a little less, or I'm going to wait for my target, or I'm going to take it to the next day. But maybe if it doesn't work, maybe by 3 p.m. or around 2:50ish time, I will change my MIS order to normal, and I will drag this order up until 3:25ish level, 3:25 p.m. so that I can wait and see what maximum it can be done, and then I will decide if I want to take it to the next day or not. So we'll wait here. You can just see that it has touched that. You can just see that like it has touched around 6,000, 7,100 at the highest. You might have seen that in the time lapse. It is now at 6,600ish level. I am just waiting over here, watching on the screen. Let us see back to the time lapse. See, right now it is again going down. I don't know what it is happening, but I've been waiting for the last 2.5 hours. Right now it is like 2:44 p.m. I am near to close this trade. I'm just thinking like either should I close here and wait for a little longer and then see how it will go. But I'll just wait. I'll just wait. Okay, back here on the screen right now, profit has come down from around 7,000. It has come down to 3,500. I am close to changing this position to an RML from MIS. But before that, let me see where I can exit. I just need to find a perfect exit spot. It's trading at 45,730 is that level. We are up by 3,500 and around change. Okay, cool. Let us start with the exiting part and then cool. 735 is the current trading price. Okay, so I think we will close above 4,000. We'll try to close above 4,000, which is 4,000, and 300 would be for the charges. So 45 seems to be a fair price to exit at. 45,745 with the quantity of 60, which is equal to 4 lakhs. Sorry, 4 lots. Okay. Yeah, anyway, the amount is also used in this trade is nearly 4 lakhs as well. Okay. It is trading at 737, 738, 740, 45. Okay, if it crosses above 45, I might even take a chance to go at above 50. But I'm just waiting for it to cross. 41, 41. It is right now 37. Not much. He's getting one. 735. What? No, I have the funds. Why did it get executed? Okay, cool. Let me try again. Maybe I did try to add. Okay, cool. Let us go at 47,400 and 45,745. Okay. 45,745. The order has been placed, and I'm just waiting for. It literally, this 6 points matters a lot. You have to get exited at 45,745. Come on, man, make it happen. 42, 40, 40. Within seconds it will take. Within seconds. But we don't know when. That is what I've been waiting for the hint. Boom. 45 has been executed and 4,342 is the exiting price. Oh my goodness. This is literally frustrating over here right now. We just exited at 45 and it went to 755. What makes this sense? It does not at all. So well, I guess that's all we have for the day. So thank you so much everyone for watching up until here, and I hope you enjoyed the video and my boring time lapse with great music. So thank you so much for watching up until here again. See you all in the next episode. Tata, bye bye, and have a good day.